Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Home Design, and I hope you're all safe and at home with your families. We just want to mention that any remodeling project from the start to beginning of designing and planning could take a couple of months. And now that you're at home, we have come up with a new system that we can help you to plan and work with you on planning and designing your new project. We have set up a video conferencing or chatting that we can meet with you by video, and we have also a video for you to tell you how to measure, and then you can share that measurement. We can design your project, the area, the space that you want to remodel, and then we can, via video chatting, video conferencing, we can show you your design and share it with you, and then you can look at it and with your family members even give us inputs. And to do that, you just need to go to our website, go on our calendar, set up your appointment, and we will contact you to set up the video chatting. And then by the time we are all done with the final design and the selection and all your decisions, when we are hopefully we are all over with the situation, you can start your project. Thank you for watching. This is Kevin with Home Design.